How to fix Python DLL error. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can fix Python's DLL error. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So the first step that you'll need to do is open up your task manager. For that, you can right click on your Windows bar or your Windows logo, and there you will see task manager. Tap on it, and after you tap on it, your task manager should open up. Now on your task manager, tap on run new task. After you do that, you will need to head over to this location right here. That is your Windows System 32 and open CMD right there. So tap on OK. And after your CMD opens up, you will need to type in this code. So this is the first code that you'll need to type in right here. So type in SFC, give a space, and scan now. After you hit enter, your SFC scan will begin, and after it ends, you can close this CMD up. After you close it, you can then open up your CMD as an administrator. And after you open up your CMD, you will need to run this second command. So just type in gp update and hit enter, and your update should begin. And after the update ends, your problem will get fixed and you won't be getting the DLL error anymore on your Python. And that's how you fix this error, guys. And that's all for today's video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye-bye.